Hello guys and welcome to Techno guys. We have this Geo SIM card which I have bought from a very big line. It's a achievement for me. Let's do the unboxing for this Geo SIM. It's very tough. So we got some Geo icons, stickers, some user manual, and finally a Geo SIM, which is much more better than other SIMs. The Geo SIM does not activated till now, so let's keep this aside and look after what is there in the manual. It's a big and heavy one manual. It's a tough, yes, boring stuff. Geo say hello to Geo. E-bill, another. We also get this Geo stickers and a Geo identity. We get 5 Geo stickers in 5 different colors and a Geo SIM. That's all for today, and enjoy the Techno Guys videos. So thank you for watching this video.